Okay. 1-2 notes per check. That's driving me crazy. Everybody got a heading? Everybody have the heading written down? What the heading? Got it? Okay. Evaluate expressions. Example 1, evaluate expressions. Evaluate 2 to 6. Okay? Real simple. Don't have an equal sign. Okay? It is expression. Can we evaluate this one? Yeah. What's another term for evaluate?
Solve.
Solve or what else? Starts with S. Simplify? Would that be the same thing as evaluate? Yeah, in this case it would. I basically just have to simplify this, right? Okay, so use 2. How many 2's do you actually have?
1. Oh, 6.
You got 6 actually. Okay. So what you want to do is write it down, 6 times. Now most of you will probably use 1, 2, 3, 4. Most of you will probably use what? You use your calculator, won't you? Okay. Remember in 5th grade when you used to do these, how would you do it? What's that little thing called? Tractor tree. Good. So 2 times 2 is 2 times 2 is 2 times 2. 4 times 4. Bring my 4 down, right? 16 times 4. If I get 64. That's what you meant to say, right? Okay, real simple. You guys write your notes down if you need to write notes. Everybody need more time? No, you guys good? Okay. All right. Work that one real quick. Let me start. Answer that one. Enter it on your clicker. Make sure you work them out in your notes. Answer it on your card that I'm passing out to you. You have your card.
We have cards. We hear cards.
You're supposed to turn that in.
Oh, well. I got it.
Start it in, okay? Work it out in your notes so you have another example. Then what do you need to do? Put it on your card and in your clicker. Get one to take it for me.
I guess I can turn it.
So I got a few of you need to answer. Got it? Okay. Write that down. You guys are pretty familiar with this, right? Okay. VEMDAS. Okay? Now, let me ask you a question. Step 1 and step 2, which is evaluate expressions or evaluate all powers. Are those kind of one and the same?
Yes.
Think about it. If I have exponents inside of parentheses, would I solve that first?
Yes.
Okay? So the order kind of, it's not necessarily true all the time. Okay? For example, I got 2 plus 3 squared as opposed to 2 plus 3 squared. What would I do here first?
This way.
Yeah, I'm gonna write it on the board. So if I have 2 plus 3, and then squares there, and then I have 2 plus 3, and the square on the outside. What would I do first?
3 squared over the
Yeah, so I got to do the exponents here first, right? Instead of the grouping symbols. On this one, what would I do first? So I do the grouping symbols first, and then square it, right? Okay, so you have to got to really pay attention to what's going on. Okay, don't get confused with that. It's probably the most confusing part right there for everybody. Anybody need more time? A couple of you?
Do what?
Everybody else need more time? Okay. Write that one down. Write that example down. Use the order of operations. A couple examples of what you use or how you're using it. Okay. Okay, so if you notice the steps at the side, what am I going to perform here first? Power, right? Okay, now I want you to watch what happens. This is how you show your work, guys. Okay? Each time I perform an operation, what do I make? Make a new line, don't I? Okay? What's happening to the expression? It's just kind of transforming as we go, isn't it? I'm showing the transformation or how it's changing. Is everybody clear on that? Okay, so the first part is going to be 48 divided by what? 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is what? 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. Okay, times 3 plus 5. Okay, now, I don't have any more grouping symbols, I don't have any powers, so what's my next one? Multiplication in. Okay, so what am I going to form here first? Okay, which gives me 6 times 3. Okay. Multiply the 6 and 3, which gives me plus 5, which gives me 23. Okay. That doesn't take, make you go closely. So, look at your button. That doesn't take but about 5 seconds to do, guys. Okay? Now, do I care if you use your calculator? No, but you need to show me what you're doing on your calculator, right? Like on that first step, 2 to the third power, I probably would have done that on my calculator. Okay? 48 divided by 8, I probably would have done that on my calculator. Okay? But notice what did I do? I showed you how I changed it, didn't I? Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Show me your work. Show me how it's changing. Okay? Do you have any more time with that? You guys good? Let me go to the next one. Work out. Work it in your notes. Okay? And then answer it on your clicker and your card. What'd you do with the gray one I gave you yesterday?
What?
The gray card that I gave you yesterday? What'd you do with it?
The gray card?
Remember? I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Anybody need more time? Since you answered it, Arthur. Okay, write this one down. Is there going to be times where I have an equation or an expression where I can do 2 operations at the same time? What do you think the answer would be? Can I do 2 operations at the same time? Sure. Okay.
Oh. Oh. But I wouldn't.
Yeah, maybe we'll talk about that. Just scoot your desk. Okay, so like on this first one, could I go ahead and do both sets of parentheses at the same time?
No,
Sure I can. Okay, what's this gonna be?
no.
That's fine.
5. Bring my multiplication sign down, 3. What would that be? That'd be 5, wouldn't it? Okay, now multiply, it says multiply 3 by 5, but do I have to do that first?
No.
It's all the same, isn't it? So is it gonna matter if I work from left to right here? Okay, so I can say 5 times what? 15. 5 times 15 is gonna give me, how much?
I didn't want to do
Did you distribute first?
that. I just did 5 times 3. And 3 plus 2.
Did that last, well, that's it's okay, just since it's multiplication outside the parentheses, okay, this just kind of keeps it contained a little bit right in here, okay? You might want to go ahead and just do your grouping symbols first, okay? Just in case you have any powers or exponents on them, okay? Anybody have any questions or need more time on this? Okay. Write this one down. There's a good one, Jeremiah. Okay. Now you got 2 different kinds of grouping symbols here. What do you have? Brackets and parentheses, good. Okay. Would I do the power first here? Okay. Would I do the grouping symbols first? Okay. I got to work inside out. I work inside out, don't I? Okay, so what's my innermost grouping symbol? You see what it says on your steps over here? The innermost. What's the innermost? Yeah, 6 minus 2. Okay, so what's my next line going to be? It's going to be 4 brackets, 12 divided by what? 4, good. For bracket, put my square. Now evaluate the expression inside the grouping. Well, can I change my brackets to parentheses after I do this? I could. I can leave them as brackets. I like to change them. Okay, what's 12 divided by 4? 3. And then it's still got the exponent, right? Now what do I got to do next?
The exponent.
Good. What's 3 squared?
Nothing.
So now, exponent was one of my second steps, but look, I didn't do it until when? At the very end. Okay? 4 times 9 would give me what?
So it really matters which way the thing is.
In some cases, no. Okay? But you got to be real careful with that sometimes, okay? Sometimes it's not going to make that big a difference. But other times it will, okay? Are you with me so far? Okay. You just, I guess that's why they put exponents after grouping symbols, because sometimes you have powers inside the grouping symbols. Well, if you went ahead and did the grouping symbols first, then you would solve the power, wouldn't you? Okay? Here I just went ahead and did the grouping symbols until I got down to nothing else inside of it. Now I can go ahead and evaluate the power. Okay? Any more time? Pretty good? Everybody good? Okay, write this one down. Top problem you got right here. What's that thing in the middle? Yeah, it's a division bar or fraction bar, right? Okay. Can I do 2 operations at the same time here?
Yeah.
Can I evaluate the power here and then evaluate the one on the bottom?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, so 2 to the 5th power, what is that? Is it 32?
Yeah.
32? Okay, so 32 minus 6 times 2 over, what's 3 to the third? 27 minus 5 times 3 minus 2. Okay, again, can I do an operation on the top and an operation on the bottom? Yeah, most definitely. What do you want to do first? Be 32 minus what? 12 over 27 minus 15 minus 2. I can do them all at the same time, right? What's 32 minus 12? 20, good. 27 minus 15? 12 minus 2? Sure. Or just 2, right?
How do you want it to,
Just like that.
just like that?
Just like that. Hi guys, have I shown some work?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I performed a couple operations here, but I'm showing you each time I change the equation or the expression, am I showing you what I'm doing?
Yes.
Yeah. Is that going to help me help you guys? Most definitely. I can see where you're making your mistakes. A lot of it may not be that you don't understand the process. You're just making a simple addition or subtraction error or a multiplication error somewhere. Just little things like that. Okay, which is no big deal. We can get those corrected pretty easy. Does everybody understand? Okay. You guys need more time with that?
Yes.
Anybody need more time? Okay. How many more questions? You got 2 more? 3 more? I think they're fixing to come back to back. Yeah, I think there is. Maybe back to back to back. Everybody done? Okay. Number 3. Evaluate that. Work it out on your notes and then answer it on the clip. Why do I want you to work it out in your notes? Yeah, it's just another example that you can reference, right? So that's the other thing I like about these multiple choice questions is, sometimes you make a mistake and your answer's not up there, then you know immediately that you gotta go back, right? Okay. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4's on the board. Sorry, I didn't mean to bump into your desk. I wasn't watching where I was going. Yeah. Get the arrow button. That's for you to have. Pay for you to pull out of that desk and hurt yourself.
He was like this.
Put your head on the table. So, what's that one commercial where that guy's on the plane? And that guy's videoing.
Oh, and you
and
have
then they
scores
the
it?
music. It's like he's jamming. So I'm gonna start putting my phone out and watch, take video of you guys sleeping.
Don't do that, cause I was out.
That way when you say, I want to sleep them.
You see that?
Right, Callie? Oh. Oh, right on. Oh. Well, that time.
I forgot.
Number 5.
Number 5.
keep going. Don't worry about it. We'll take care of it later. Just make sure you put everything on your hard copy. Put your hard copies up here in the back. First finish. You can leave the clicker on the desk. Leave the clicker on the desk. You can log out. Yeah, log out.
I didn't press finish.
Do it.
I didn't press finish before I logged out.
Let it go.
You want us to log back in and do it?
We'll finish it tomorrow. It should log you out. Once I close the class, it should log you out. Bring your cards into the basket, please. Bring your cards into the basket, please.
You guys turn this in.
Yeah, so
The answers on that one wrong too.
I don't think so. I'll go back and check. I don't think they were.
Do you want this on your desk or try it into the desk?
Turn it in up there.
It was funny. So fast. Yeah, that's right. Move to the next one, then they hit that.
That's just there, he said we're not gonna win the house. I was like, what?
oh, you guys are gonna need a calculator too. Make sure you grab a calculator.
What do I do about mine? Do I go get a clip for my disc? Because they said I can clip.
What?
Do I get a clip for my disc? My disc don't have a clip.
Yes.
How was it here?
Yeah.
Do you want to hold up the new cards or do we not move them today?
Might not need them. So I don't. It just depends on if we have time.
Wait,